How's it going? Welcome to Beer-Gineers Beer Reviews, and up for review we've got a double IPA from Phantom Brewing, and this is Birds, coming in 8%. I think I've seen some online chatter suggesting this is a cracker. Got it from Fuss Club. I think it was about £6, £6.50, something like that. I've forgotten where Phantom are. Somewhere down south. Berkshire, yeah, Reading. No indication of what the hops are, and I haven't bothered to Google it, so I just have to guess. And it's got barley, oats and wheat. Cool. So yeah, Phantom, you know, really good brewery. I think they're somewhere, they're not my top 4, top 5, but they might be somewhere around my top 10 maybe. Maybe. Very consistent. Not done anything that's really, you know, blown me away in terms of hoppiness or difference, but always well, generally very, very good. So what we've got a couple of fingers of fairly persistent whitehead. Yeah, typical hazy New England style. Let's go for the nose. Oh, a massive nose. Maybe some zingy citrus, but not a huge nose. Okay, see if we can get anything off the taste. Chin chin. That's interesting. Oh, it's quite sharp. Quite a challenging hoppy bitterness to this beer. Like something like a Zaka or Galaxy maybe, I think. Yeah, like a very bitter orange is what I'm getting off that. Medium bodied, creamy, lovely body. Yeah, bitter orange. That's interesting. I'm guessing a Zaka. Very nice. Different, yeah. It's not that sort of soft, juicy stone fruit tropical. It's like I say, a challenging, I'll say it again, bitter orange. That's what I'm getting off it. Maybe some, I'm thinking Mosaic or Simcoe or something. There is some sort of complexity at the back there in terms of maybe a little bit of earthiness. I like it. Rating. It's different. It's really good. I'm going to give that, I'll give that 7 3/4, 7.75. Yeah, which is still a very good review. Yeah, anything 6 and above, I'd buy it again. Yeah, so I'm like I say, challenging. Maybe it could do with a bit more sort of juicy tropical or stone fruit or something like that, just to balance it out. So like I say, it's relatively one-dimensional, but that dimension is very, very nice indeed. I like it anyway because I like a bit of oomph, like a bit of challenge. 7 point. Oh yeah, it's proper like a Zaka or Galaxy. I'm guessing there. It's like you know. Yeah, so 7.75 for Birds. I'm going to Google the hops now and see if I was anywhere close. Probably not. It's very, very difficult to tell. But there we go. Thanks for watching. Until next time. Cheers.